sounds like you and my dad have a long history together. Wish I could say the same.
The road your father and I walk together is soaked deeply with the blood of both friends and enemies.
Must be nice. I used to have to draw him into family photos with a crayon.
The war in which we fought is far from over. We live our lives in hiding.
I guess I should be happy for you. I mean, great. You guys got to hang out. I hope you had a blast.
The galactic government considers us terrorists. It's unwise of me to share these details, but I've become inebriated.
I don't know if you can appreciate what it means to grow up without a father, but
The guest list at this wedding includes 17 of the Federation's most wanted. We have committed numerous atrocities in the name of freedom.
and during that time, I don't suppose he ever mentioned his daughter. Are those baby quiches?
Nightcrawler pate. I should prepare for the ceremony.
Like talking to a brick wall.